Wow, fried plantains, as we call it in our countries. I'm from Puerto Rico. My wife is Dominican, so we tend to cook this a lot over there. We were raised on this, and it's so awesome. Fried plantain, delicious. So these fried plantains were fried in avocado oil. You could also use olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Is delicious when you pair it with soup, any kind of soup. And in this case, we got some seafood soup that we cook. So delicious. So here we have carrots, we have celery, we have a little bit of asparagus, and of course we got all the seasonings. For seafood, we got scallops, we have some fish, I believe codfish, some shrimp, and I think that's it, right? Oof, this is awesome. So then you add your avocado. Oh man, what better than some avocado? You add the nice vitamins that it has, that nice good fat. Oh man, we love avocados. This is so delicious. Woo! I love it. You know what? This was, like always, a combination of my wife and I. Oh man. If you want some of the ingredients, the spices that we put, you could comment down below. Now, for now, I'm gonna enjoy this soup. As my wife says. I mean, she does it better than me. Taking all of this, honey.
Hey!